Part 1. Basic configuration. Enter the admin page. Click the Web Authentication. Start the authentication server. And configure the IP network segments that require authentication. This video takes Account Authentication as an example. Set the authentication validity period. Add the URL address that will automatically redirect after the authentication is completed. Click OK. Then add the authentication account, password, and the number of simultaneous logins. Part 2. User Authentication. Open any URL address with a browser, and it will automatically redirect to the Web Authentication page. Enter the authentication account and password. After successful authentication, click the OK button to automatically redirect to the URL address configured by the server. Return to Web Authentication. Click Verify Devices. You can view the status of all certified devices. Part 3. Advanced Settings. Enter the Server Settings page. Click on Advanced Settings. Add the URL address that will automatically redirect after the authentication is completed. Add a custom logo image. Set the background image for the mobile authentication interface. Set the background image for the PC authentication interface. Enter the welcome message. Set up a disclaimer and copyright. Click Preview. And then you can preview the interface that has been set up. Exit the preview and click OK to save the settings. Part 4. Authentication-Free. Click Authentication-Free. Select the user IP as the type. Enter the user's IP address. Enter the remarks. Click Add to save. Select the domain name as the type. Enter the domain name. Enter the remarks. Click Add to save. Select the MAC address as the type. Enter the user MAC. Enter the remarks. Click Add to save.